Mamacita, you looking good. See, you should learn to dress more like that. What is that? Come on, cover that up. Aren't you ashamed?
But Dante, I just wanted to be sexy like her.
Like her? Please, you can't even come close. Yadira, what happened to the woman I fell in love with? You had a slim figure. Now you're covered in stretch marks and cellulite. And now, when you want to be sexy, is this the best that you can do?
Dante, don't talk to me like that. It's just that many years have passed, but I still love you just as much as when we got married. Don't treat me like this. I'm still me. I'm still the same.
Oh, please, Yadira. If you were still the same as when we got married, I wouldn't be looking for what I don't have here.
But why are you talking to me like this? Please don't be rude.
Please, put yourself together once in a while.
We're supposed to be here to have a good time. We came to the beach to enjoy it, to be together for a moment, just you and me alone as a couple, like we used to do.
You know why I decided to come to the beach? Away from society? Away from the city? So that no one would recognize me and see me with a hideous creature like you.
Dante, where are you going? Dante, don't leave me. Dante? Dante? Dante! It hurts me a lot that you're so rude, that you no longer have any guilt about looking at other women in front of me. Tell me, what is that you're missing? What? What else do you need to be happy with me?
Seriously, Yadira, don't you know? I tell you every day and you say you don't know. You can't give me what I deserve. Even in women, there are levels. You look like a scarecrow, and I'm looking for something better.
Dante, please, respect me. I'm your wife.
Respect yourself first. You're a mess. You don't even love yourself.
Listen, I know I haven't been taking care of myself as much lately, but it's because I spend too much time focused on you. I know you're a wonderful guy. And there is still that tender, noble, good-hearted boy I once fell in love with. You're losing yourself. I no longer recognize you. You're being very rude. Realize it. I don't want to make a decision that would affect both of us.
Please. Are you threatening to break up with me? You'd be doing me a favor.
Now you say it so confidently. But do you think I'm willing to endure humiliation and mistreat? When you never got me used to that from the beginning? If you want your freedom so badly, I won't have any choice but to give it to you. Think about it, and I'll leave you alone. I see you don't want my company.
What are you looking at?
These are the women I deserve, you know? A handsome and attractive man like me gets countless messages every day from beautiful women. Not like Yadira, whom I have to put up with every day. Seeing her dirty, full of cellulite. Why? Why do you give me a woman like that?
Look, brother, I'm gonna give you an advice. There is no ugly or untidy woman, as you say. There are only men who don't know how to value themselves and appreciate what they have by their side. You see yourself as handsome, as you say, but who ironed your clothes? Who made them ready for you?
She did.
When you're sick, when you can even take care of yourself, who takes care of you?
She does.
When you go to work, who do you think stays at home cooking, ironing clothes, cleaning the house?
She does.
So, if you love that woman and desire her so much, support her, brother.
Beautiful woman.
Don't exaggerate. Just a moment ago you were treating me horribly. Tell me what happened to you. Besides, this swimming suit is really old. What are you talking about?
You want me not to exaggerate? My wife is the most beautiful in the whole
Shut
world!
up! How embarrassing. Why are you shouting that?
Not just in the whole world, in the entire universe!
Enough! What's gotten into you? What made you change your mind so quickly?
My love, truly forgive me. I was cynical. I was a fool. I was stupid not to realize everything you had told me. Not to remember the beautiful moments we had lived, and to be blinded by vanity and many other things that blinded me. The truth is, my love, please forgive me.
Dante, it's okay. I forgive you. I do. I I don't have to feel grateful for someone whose job is to be a gentleman. I'm your wife, and the least I deserve is respect. But I must say, next time, there won't be forgiveness, okay? I will leave you.
All right, I understand, my
Now
love.
kiss me. Come on, I missed you. I love you.
I love you too.